I'll go ahead and restart it. It has lots of creatures and beasts and is really amazing to me. I can't hear it because I'm using a microphone, but I'll play it again after. Very menacing. Sorry if you could hear me turn on the engine. It just got real hot. But I'm good to go. Okay. Oh no! Ooh. Well, that's what I'm using to... Oh! It's cause of this. It's cause of this. Yeah. I can fix that. Do a little trick. Yeah, okay. Woohoo! Look at that barn. Okay. If you all don't like the ghosting, let me know and I'll take it off. I like it because... I don't know. I don't know why I like it. Okay. No! Okay. Yeah! Okay. Actually remember this one. That one always fell in the spikes and I'd feel bad about it. Oh my gosh, is that a ferret? It does flips. Okay. Whew. Alright, sorry. Okay. Whew. Those porcupines, I remember, because they killed me once, and I think I just killed that ferret. Oh! In fairness, it was jumping on my head, I think. And this? Okay. Huh? Oh, it's a jump beguiler. If I try to jump, it blocks me. Okay. I can turn into a fish. Watch this. Down and B. No? Down and okay. Down and B. Woohoo! These things, I think, hurt if I jump on them. So I need to be careful. That's like a spike. Okay. Woohoo! No! Okay. Oh, I might die here. I love that tree. That one's killed me before, too. I adore this tree. Oh my gosh. Flying kitty cat? Oh, that's a bonker. That one would have definitely killed me. I only have one life left. Grandmaster. Come on. Woo. I used to be better at this. In fairness, he hasn't got me either. It's not that hard, I just gotta keep midair. Midair, come on. This might not be fun to watch, but it's fun to play. I killed him and he killed me! We killed each other at the same time! Okay. Honestly, I have the buttons flipped wrong. My A is B, so the jump kick is feeling a little weird to my fingers. That's also why I haven't done as much fighting so far. My fight and my jump are a bit mixed. Come on. Yeah. I just realized that means I have like a muscle memory for this game somehow. I did it! Phew. Okay, at least one more level. I know this was supposed to be, oh my gosh. Look at that. I kind of want to, can I live here? Ooh. Oh no, okay. Ooh. Oh, I'm a ball now. That guy! Oh my gosh! I know that guy. I don't know where. It's probably this game, but I feel like that guy was an ongoing joke in some different games. This is an owl. I don't remember what it does or how to get them to turn around, but I really don't want to kick them. Okay. Yeah, that's a mushroom cat. Okay, look at this face. Look at that perfect face. Okay, I'll stay away. Mushroom, oh no. That was mean of me. Honestly, in their game, I'm the one who's acting trippy. Leaves. Ah! I don't know. I just like this so much. Okay. Gonna try to take these with me. Come on. No. There we go. Oh. This one can absolutely kill me. I think he just stomps me to death, though. I want to try something. Woohoo! No, this way. Ah, come on. I need to get these buttons fixed. I'm not used to my jump being my kick. Ah, dang it. I was trying to jump off their head. Yeah, I don't know. This one I can jump off of, though. I remember that. No! Getting that pepper. Woohoo! This is a great form. It's great for attacking. It has really good distance. I think if I fall... No, it doesn't matter. If I had gotten that ledge up there, I think I could have used that tail wheel. And I don't need the heart. Little guys. Oh no! Okay. Oh, it's gone. Sorry that it hasn't been a more exciting game. And I just realized I'm probably super duper loud. Okay, last one. Woo! Okay. Come me. Oof! I'm already at half health. I don't remember how to get this guy to change back. No! She got me. Woohoo! Okay. Ah! 2, 3. Okay. Boop. Okay. I get that this time around, I'm the one who attacked first, but they like killed me, so not gonna feel too bad about it. Boop. Okay. Much more deadly, but also a lot easier to get to. So this is like still a training boss. Warning me that transformations can be like saw blades. Okay, okay. I don't know how... I don't know how to defeat this one. Yeah, come on. Okay, World 3. I'm gonna at least show it off a little. Woohoo! Oh, I accidentally flew. That's the wrong form. Okay, I can jump. There we go. Yeah, little fishy. Oh my gosh, that's better than Kirby! Oh, I love the little creatures in this game. Okay. Since it's already been a little bit, and it was just... Oh my gosh! That's my favorite! Okay. Oh, seaweed like a snail. Okay. I'll get to a good point. Here seems good. Oh, come on. Change back. There we go. And yeah. I'll save here for next time. Okay. Yeah. Bye, everyone. Bye.